Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus, and today I will show you how to uninstall bloatware and any kind of application that you want from your device, including those that normally shouldn't be able to be uninstalled. Now we will be using ADB for this, so you will need a computer obviously. And additionally, there is a link in the description which will take you to our website where you can download anything that you need. So number one, you will need the Xiaomi USB drivers, that is without any debate. We'll also need the mini ADB and fastboot drivers. I'll show you also how to install those because they're kind of weird. And Apk Analyzer, which is an application that you have right here on your phone. And this is right now live view of the device itself. So anyway, let's get started. So I already downloaded all of these, but we're gonna go to the mini ADB because, like I mentioned, these are a little bit weird to install. So I'm gonna go to downloads, this right here, and I'm gonna start with the ADB setup. So simply double click on it and you will get this bam pop-up right here. So the way you install it is, you can see it asks you, do you want to install ADB and fastboot, and you have Y or no, or yes or no basically, so just the first letter. So what you want to do is press Y, enter on your keyboard. Install ADB system-wide, Y, enter. Do you want to install device drivers? Y, enter. Go through it, boom, it's done. Then same thing, this will install normally, just press next, next, and install. And then universal ADB driver setup as well. It almost also installs the same way as this one, so next, next, and install. But while it's installing, you will get a Windows pop-up throughout the process, basically asking if you want to install drivers. So this is the driver part right here, and you will need to select to install those drivers because you will have two options: do not install and install. Although it's worded a little bit differently, but once you read it, you'll know what I mean. Now I already did install all of those, so basically that's it for me. I'm not going to be installing it here. And now we can move over to the phone itself, so I'm just going to go grab it. And you want to start off by downloading the Apk Analyzer, and you can simply go to your Play Store and search for it. So right at the top, as you can see, it comes up as a suggested. I'm just gonna make it full screen just so it's easier to read. So as you can see, Apk Analyzer, click on it, and this is the first option right here. So install it. Now for me, it gives me an option to open. So I could just open it up, as you can see. And from here, it will load every kind of application that is on this phone. So you wanna find the application that you want to uninstall, which I will be using the MIUI forum as an example. So this right here. So yeah, as you can see, there's no uninstall option, just share or info. So let's go back to the Apk Analyzer, search for it, MIUI forum. So you can see it right here, and below the name of the application, you have a basically like this weird thing. So com.miui.enbbs. Now you want to write that down. This is the location on the device where the files are located. So I'm gonna minimize this. So as you probably already will see, there we go. I already have it written down, but yeah, you will need to write it down because you can't really copy it from here on your computer. So yeah, write down any kind of application that you want to install. As you can see, all of them will have a different one. So this is, for instance, this one, whatever this is, has different one. So it's com.miui.guard proved it provider. There we go. And then we have some MIUI SDK. So com.miui.core. As you can see, all of them have different ones. Now, you don't want to go way too crazy with uninstalling stuff that you can see right here because some of those are system files. So if you do this, your device might start working correctly. But anything that you can find on your home screen, basically all those applications minus the settings, you can basically uninstall. So yeah, MIUI forum, maybe MIUI remote or Mi remote, stuff like that. So you are free to remove those. But yeah, let's now get going. So You will need a cable and you want to plug it in. Actually, before we even get started, there's one last thing that we need to do on the phone. Let's go into the settings, and you will need to enable the developer options, which you can find the settings for it in the About Phone section. So from here, start tapping on the MIUI version. For me, as you can see, it gives me this pop-up right here. No need, you're already a developer. But if you have never done this, after 7 taps, it will give you a pop-up that you are now a developer. And from there, you want to go back and scroll all the way down to additional settings. From here, we're gonna scroll down to developer options and then scroll down to USB debugging. There we go. So turn it on, select OK, and we're good to go. So we can leave this section right here. And now you want to plug in your device to your computer. Now give me a second because my cable or port on the phone doesn't really work that well, so I need to see if it is actually connecting correctly. And it looks like it is actually, so okay. So now we're gonna open up command prompt. So go to your start button, type in CM, this will bring it up as the option command prompt, right click on it, run as admin, yes. And now you want to type in cd/ like so, enter cd ADB, or I think that's what it is, ADB, right? Yep, ADB, okay. And from there, you want to type in ADB devices. Now on your phone, you get a pop-up like this, so let's select OK. And it is working correctly, as you can see, it's showing our device. So what we're gonna do now is, let's see, because I haven't gone that far yet. So there is the okay, so we need to type in this entire thing. So what I advise you to do is select this. It's going to be probably way quicker. There we go. Copy it. And from there, you want to open up your notepad. You will know in a second why when you paste it in. As you can see, you get this annoying thing right here. So select it, remove it. Okay. What we can do now is basically move this over. So copy it, remove this. Just I'm gonna make sure if this is supposed to be in a parenthesis or not. Okay, so it's not supposed to be in parentheses, which should have been mentioned. So let's go back to the notepad. Just select the entire thing, and there we go. So that's what we're looking for. Shell ADB PM uninstall K user 0, and then the name of the application that you want to uninstall, or the code of it. From here we can copy this, move over to our command prompt, paste it in, enter, and success. Did it uninstall it? So it looks like it's gone. As you can see, there is nothing from it anymore here. Now, I believe it will remove the icon of it from the home screen once it's actually rebooted. Although this is kind of a weird icon. Let's see, what is this? There we go, and as you can see, it's gone. Now, this normally shouldn't be, I think, visible. This was just some kind of weird shortcut, I think, or something like that. So yeah, once you remove the core file, which I did, I believe it was somewhere right here, it should be basically done. So anyway, this is how you can uninstall any kind of application, any bloatware that normally you shouldn't be able to uninstall using ADB. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.